In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change currency on Pandadoc. Changing the currency in Pandadoc is a quick setting update, and it is useful when you are creating documents for clients in different regions or when your business needs to present pricing in a specific format. Once you set the correct currency in your workspace settings, it helps keep your documents consistent and reduces mistakes when you are sending proposals, quotes, or contracts. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Pandadoc account and you are looking at your main dashboard. From here, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open the menu. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account and workspace. Settings can include several sections, so take a moment to orient yourself. On the left side of the screen, you will see a sidebar with different categories. Next, find and click Workspace in that left sidebar. Workspace settings control defaults that apply across your team and your documents, so this is the right place to change things like your currency preference. Once you are inside the Workspace section, look for the currency setting. It is usually presented as a label with a drop-down menu next to it. Click the drop-down, then choose your preferred currency from the list. Take your time to select the correct option, especially if multiple currencies have similar names or symbols. Selecting the right currency here helps ensure pricing displays as expected when you build documents. After you have selected the currency you want, scroll down toward the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This final step is important because your selection will not be applied until you save. Wait a moment for the update to complete, and you should now have your workspace currency set to your new preference. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.